caught in Providence, and there's a guy, the judge actually, his name's Frank Caprio. He's pretty awesome. You can look on the internet to see what he's all about. But given that he's such a good guy, I ordered this piece of Italian olive wood for him. And then here's a piece of Texas mesquite. Here's a Dr. Pepper can. All right, the first thing we did is cut 45-degree angle on the Italian olive wood. Dr. Pepper can. And now we will add some of this Texas mesquite. So there's the Italian olive wood with the Dr. Pepper can in there, and then 2 pieces of mesquite. I'll make some more cuts. All right, so there's the next 2 cuts. And we'll put a Dr. Pepper can on top of that. And then I need to figure out what other wood I want to use. Maybe some more mesquite, maybe something else. Let's see what we can find. Well, I'm not sure if all this is going to hold together, but that's the Italian olive wood. That's the Texas mesquite. The orange piece in there is some Paduke, African Paduke actually. And then that is some blackwood on top. Blackwood, the Paduke, Dr. Pepper can, the mesquite, the Dr. Pepper can, and the Italian olive wood. This is going to be a tricky one. So to finish the top, it's going to be basically that tall, the length of the pen tube. I'm going to finish it out with a little bit of Dr. Pepper can, a piece of mesquite, a piece of Paduke, and then some blackwood. All just put together like this. This will match this end because it goes Italian olive wood, Dr. Pepper can, and then the mesquite, and the Paduke, and the blackwood. I don't think I want to put a piece of, maybe I do. Maybe I'll put in 2 Dr. Pepper cans there, 1 on each side. I'm not sure. We'll see. All right, well here it is. So blackwood, Paduke, Dr. Pepper can, mesquite, Dr. Pepper can, olive wood. And then down here I've got Dr. Pepper can, mesquite, Dr. Pepper can, Paduke, and blackwood. And well, if you're watching this, it must have worked. It became a pen. If not, you'll never see this video. This is the completed pen blank. And given the pieces are so small, I have a feeling it's going to blow apart when I drill it and turn it. So in order to help with that, I'm going to douse this entire thing in thin CA. And apparently I'm out. There we go. I'm going to douse this whole thing in thin CA and let it dry naturally. And then hopefully that'll hold everything together. Wish me luck. Well, it hasn't exploded, so that's good. So there's the mesquite there in the middle, the Dr. Pepper can on each side, the Paduke, the blackwood, the body of it being the Italian olive wood, and then there's a Dr. Pepper can, some mesquite, a Dr. Pepper can, and then the Paduke and blackwood again for the top. I think it's going to be pretty. Time to sand. Hopefully it will stay intact and not blow up. So here it is with the base coat of finish on it. And I love how you can see just a little bit of the green of the Dr. Pepper can right there. Definitely from Texas. So let's sand and polish it and see what happens. And Judge Caprio, if you're watching, hope you like it. A little bit of Texas, a little bit of Italy, and then a little bit of other parts of the world. Let's put it in a pen kit and see what it looks like. So here's the final product. It is got a nice accent there, gold accent, and then titanium, gold accent there, gold knurling, titanium, and then a gold nib. To get the ink out, you simply turn the top right here to make the pen come in and out. Turn the top. Has a nice little jewel. Looks good. So Judge Caprio, if you're watching, I want you to use this pen. Don't just put it somewhere. I want this to be your daily pen.